How are y'all doing today? It's Miss Vicky B. Today is KJ's 3rd birthday party. He actually turned 3 on July the 6th, but we decided to do the party on the 10th because me and my husband are both off on a Monday, and that would be easier for me to make the cake and everything on that day. And then him and Diamond got pink eye, so we pushed it back another week. Now he's got a rash from his antibiotics, but it's okay. We're still gonna do the party. It's just gonna be us and them anyway. But so today I'm working on his cake and his cupcakes, and Candace is at her house making other foods and decorating, and we'll be heading over there in a little while. But I'm gonna be doing a dinosaur cake and some dinosaur cupcakes. I went ahead and baked my cake and my cupcakes last night to get it out of the way, and today I'm gonna be decorating it, so hope y'all enjoy the video. So right here, Tony had made me a number 3 template for the top of the cake, and I'm about to attempt to cut it out. I've never done this before. This was the only way I could get a perfect number 3 on the cake because I'm not that crafty, and it turned out pretty good this way. Right here, I'm just chopping up some Oreos. That's going to be the dirt on the cake. We're about to get started mixing this green icing and decorating the cake. Okay, y'all, so as y'all saw, this is supposed to be leaf green food coloring. When I opened it, it looked yellowish brown, so I was like, well, I'll try a tiny bit of the icing and see what it turns out like. And that's what color I'm getting. I don't know what's going on. But I do have some, this was the neon green that I bought last year for the monster truck cake, and I think it's still good. I'm hoping I have enough. I should, so I'm gonna try it. And at least it'll be green. It may not be leaf green, but we'll have some green. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so it turns out that somebody had swapped the tops apparently in the store. Maybe some kids just being crazy or silly. I don't know, but the actual name of the food coloring on the front of the package was Buttercup Yellow, but it had a top that said Leaf Green. So that's what had happened. This might be the end result on the cake, y'all. Got the number 3 on there. Some dinosaurs, some rocks, some trees. I don't know if this big tree is gonna fit when I put the lid on. I might have to take it off till we get there. I think it turned out all right. What do y'all think? Okay, y'all, I finished up the cake and the cupcakes, and now I'm on my way to KJ's little birthday party. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to KJ. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Woo! Blow it out. Blow. 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 The wind. Let's go. You got it. There you go. One more. All right. Just wanted to throw in a few pictures of the party here. I hope y'all enjoy it.